this bright youth shine with the dawn's first fire. Even through tangled questions and the hush of unrest, still young and bending in the changing winds of days, but thirsting always for clear, undying truth. Amid the clamor that muffles the spirit's gentle tune, between hopes that climb and sorrows resting underneath, they cradle the vision of healing flowing through the earth, where unity's sweet fragrance softens every thorn of strife. And out from the quiet heart within, a holy song stirs, rising strong and true. We are the dawn breakers, bearers of dawn-colored flame. Though the world may shake and the shadows lengthen deep, with each unwavering stride, with every surge of courage anew, hope unfurls its petals, a quiet, hallowed garden inside. Threaded together, spirit to soul, through all our storms, through every shining tear we release, a new horizon emerges and sings in our chests, this vernal turning of the soul. These are the days when our journey is scored in living stone, when the spirit's outcry soars above fading echoes of before. Mind and heart open wide like a rose in endless bloom, seeking guidance, searching for the laws that root us in grace. Though earth is painted in endless hues, one truth endures, a spark for world rebirth lives within every soul. In the eyes that hold visions of what's to come, in every valiant heart that reaches to begin again. We, like young nightingales perched on the edge of flight, guard hope's golden trove carried in trembling wings, like seeds beneath the soil, pulsing with unseen force. We are the harvest time's patient shapes what is new. With open palms as seekers at the threshold of grace, with vision sharpened by the chalice of certainty, we press on. For love and truth are the twin summits we pursue, and each soul shines like a priceless pearl in God's eternal sea. We are the dawn breakers, keepers of the rising light, lifted by a grace that will never fail or break. With every act that serves, every gentle deed that heals, a spiritual spring erupts and blossom across the world, linked through centuries, outstretching time's hold, in courage, in kindness, blazing with unshadowed truth. The sun of a new morning radiates through our hands, this vernal turning of the soul. Oh Lord, endow us with the Spirit's bright and boundless wings, so that no heart falters beneath the press of the self. Let our touch be gentle as spring's first awakening breath, guiding the lost back to the real heart of the garden. For inside us stirs the seed of all that's yet to be, a world remade where love alone ascends the throne.